Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing well. So I am back with another informative and interesting video, and my today's topic is about important health benefit of turmeric milk. Number 1 is fights inflammation and joint pain. The curcumin in a turmeric has anti-inflammatory property that help fight inflammation and joint pain. It can also help individual with to is promote skin health. Turmeric is used as a remedy for many skin conditions and is believed to keep the skin glowing. Curcumin is also known to enhance skin protections and promote collagen synthesis, which help fight the sign of premature aging. Number 3 is keeps brain healthy. Curcumin helps cut the risk of depression, anxiety, and age-related cognitive decline. It can also promote a better mood. Adding cinnamon and ginger to a milk can have added benefit as they increase the level of neuroprotective proteins in the brain. Number 4 is promote heart health. Adding ginger and cinnamon to turmeric milk and consuming it regularly has been linked to reduce risk of heart disease. Curcumin fight inflammations and ginger lower bad cholesterol level. Number 5 immunity. Curcumin has an immunomodulatory effect that promotes the function of T cells, B cells, macrophages, and killer cells, essential for the body's immunity. Number 6 is strengthen bones. Turmeric milk is rich in vitamin D, calcium, and other nutrients essential for strong bones. Curcumin also helps prevent bone loss. Rest of all of these things, turmeric is also very important for your health. If you are facing a problem of arthritis, it's very beneficial and very helpful for you. Hope this video is very beneficial for you. For further video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be right back very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.